the old school American Apparel is called Row DTLA now, apparently. My husband is taking me to go, where am I going?
You're going on a modeling gig.
In downtown. I'm like 2 minutes away, but I'm an hour early by accident. But it's better to be early.
Yes, it is. That's important.
Parking, $12.
All day though.
Oh wait, hopefully there's no sensitive information on there.
Oopsie.
Oopsies. Here's some BTS of my shoot. I loved this dress. It was basically made for me. I had this lovely opportunity to model for the Book of Immortality. It was very fun. Literally all of the photos just look like so beautiful. Thank you so much. I love it. Do you want to be in my vlog? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. We just finished shooting, so obviously I'm gonna post it.
Photo shoot.
Okay. Remember when I modeled or went to their open casting, Vic?
Those sons of bees.
And they didn't choose me.
They did it as a marketing ploy.
Oh, by the way, we finished. Thanks for driving me, Vic. I had so much fun.
Yeah.
I also got a little gift. I'm so excited. I was not expecting a gift at all, so I kind of wanted to cry. But it was really sweet. Thank you. But we're on our way home now. ETA is like, what is it? 42 minutes, not too bad. Back home where I belong. Just kidding.
This is where you belong.
My husband's gonna record me now because Santa came early. Not in 0.5 though, right?
Not in 0.5.
I'm in my blankie.
Oh, 1 sec. Let me zoom into 0.5.
But it was the last two. My mom got me this. I mean, Santa.
Say thank you to Santa.
Thank you, Santa. It's a microphone in case you didn't know. But we're gonna try to open this.
She's like a samurai. Let me see.
Come closer for the ASMR. Oh wait. Is it?
It's a good angle.
Oh. Now she won't do it because she already saw.
Look at I crumpled it. Thank you.
Humored you. Okay, I'll try to be fast so I don't take up too much space. Do you want to see? Alright, fine. I know you want to. You could throw that in the trash right in the or
I'll hang on to it. And then I'll tell us it after filming.
we don't need this.
I hate reading.
When it's literally the manual. Wait, come closer. Ah, no que no. She couldn't resist. A box within a box. It comes with a sleek little carrying case. Actually, there's a lot of stuff. Actually, this is pretty cool.
Yum.
Silica gel. You want something? Boring. Literally.
What was that? Oh, okay. I was like,
Okay. Okay. We'll come back once it's set up.
okay.
It should be working now.
Yeah.
Testing.
You could even scratch lightly the windscreen, and then that'll give you like a for sure.
Testing. 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 Tell me a phrase.
What if you said something fun? All celebrities and stuff you ran into. Who'd you run into?
Tyler the Creator. Billie Eilish. One Direction. Ariana Grande.
Wow. Okay, let's try one more test.
The Bella Hadid.
I'll be talking, and then you talk. That way we're both talking at the same time, so we can see what that sounds like.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Think of something.
Think of something to say.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Don't
Don't copy me.
You're mean.
You're mean. Okay,
Let's see.
could take Penny down.
I'm already filming.
Take Penny down.
You want to come
You
down?
can push pause. I'm testing it. Are you recording?
Yeah.
I have it clipped with a magnet.
Should I move that napkin?
Is that your napkin, Victor?
No.
I don't think so.
Is this Cam's?
That's Cam's.
It's Cam's. I'm unboxing my gift. I was not expecting it. My mom's here. He's recording. She's poofy because last night, if you saw my last vlog, we had burgers and french fries for my dad's birthday. For some reason, I didn't come out poofy. Usually I do.
It's alright. I did too.
We had gas. Number 1. This is all of her stuff. Penny. Oh, wow.
That's gorgeous.
Full length. Cute. Where should I put it? This is the blue one. I wore the pink one and the yellow one. I like that one. No, bro. That's silica gel. Blue. Oh, Penny.
And see where the pink one there.
Yeah.
Both colors are
Blue. I actually wanted this so bad. It's from her store, but I think it sold out. It's a little tank top that says her brand right there. Cute. I can't read. Oh, this is the pink one that I wore. My hair's on it.
Pretty.
I like it in blue.
And
Sweater?
wow. And her little tag. And that's my haul. Thank you for watching. Okay, you can stop recording.